'Cause we'll be on a timeline.
Hello, hello, Darren. How are you? How was school? How's school? How's the exam? Let us continue. Let me check our last progress. Yeah, work on the animation or better visualization of the Gantuar drawing the imp. All right, so are we going to do the animation today, or do you have any additional target or ideas? Okay. Okay, Darren. All right. Launching. Okay, okay. Launching. Let's go. All right, all right. Okay, is everything okay? Everything is working fine. All right. Then we are going to make the throwing looks good. So, gimana ya? Oh, I was suggesting you to create. Oh, I was suggesting you to give horizontal speed. Remember there? Yeah, and then yeah. So you can break down the sprite into some other sprites, like probably 2 or 4, and then we give it horizontal speed to go from right to the left, and then what else? Oh, and then it will automatically have the animation along the way, right? Yes. Kayaknya ini udah bisa deh, Darren. I think the upside down will work loh. How about just add the horizontal speed and try see how it works. I don't know if you want to make it, like a smoother animation. It's good. Another sprite. Which another sprite? Hold on. This one. This one is the one being thrown, right? Yeah, right. We do the animation for the one being thrown, being shot. Coba ya kayak apa ya? When it's not good enough, then we will think how to make it look better. The animation. Never mind. Then we need to make a sprite for the normal imp as well. Oh, you mean that we should separate the original one before it is being thrown, right? And then the one when it's thrown. Okay. Yeah. Then we did for the yes. Okay. Okay. Let me think about additional ideas apa ya? The throwing thingy. Oh, Darren, one question. Where do we expect this throwing to be landed? I mean, when will it stop? When it hits the wall? When it hits some certain hold on, x coordinates or y coordinates? Oh, okay. And then after the timer, it will disappear, or will it hit something? It will change. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, so after a while, okay. After a while, it will just walk normally. Okay, the question is, okay, for now we make it horizontally like this, right? But for better, I think we have to make it like parabol, like this kind of curve of throwing, right? Yes, Darren. Why? It's supposed not to be not like that. Harusnya enggak dong, Darren. Oh, jangan semua. Don't use all frame. Just flip one selected frame aja. You select and then you flip, Darren. It should work. Oh, rotate. Oh, not flip. Kalau di rotate di tempat lain bisa nggak ya? Oh, okay, I can do the rotation easily in here. Oh, hold on ya. Let me check. Kayaknya masih punya deh imp-nya. I'm going to give you all the rotation ya. Oh, JPEG ya. Hold on there. I think I still keep your picture of those. Tapi kodenya apa ya? Hold on. How do I find sunflower? I got the sunflower, but not the imp though. I will rotate it for you. Hold on. Tapi kok nggak ada ya? Tunggu, jangan JPG kali ya. Okay, hold on. I think it's down there, but I have to find it. Hold on. Ah, here. Sunflower, I got it. Is it? Oh, okay. There, I got it. Okay, the imp. Which imp sih? Itu ya? Okay, that one ya? Okay, I'm going to duplicate and then rotate it and then save it and then duplicate it and then save it and then rotate it. Okay, and then duplicate and then rotate it. Okay, sending it through. Hold on. How do I? Where? Oh yeah. Is that usable? I'm also going to send it through WhatsApp, okay? All the rotation of the sprite. Hold on. Here from here. And then there you go. All right. Can you use it? Eh, eh, kenapa gitu, Darren? Ayo. Hmm. Huh? Yeah, I think, yeah, it works. I see that you have all the rotation. Now test it. Test it, test it. Hold on. Oh, okay. You crop it, so you have to crop it. And what happened? Oh, you can copy paste. Oh, oh, like that. Okay. All right, all right. Tapi why ya di situ kok low resolution ya, not like what I sent you. Oh, yeah, the pixel, yeah. That's why it is lower pixel resolution. Okay, hold on. Maybe because let me see the code. Global life. Let's test it. Gimana sih? Throwingnya udah belum? When do we do throwing? How do we do throw? Oh, there. Tapi, oh, okay, it is. Ya udah keburu kena itu. Udah keburu kena pi-nya ya. Oh. Brutal. Let me record this one. Okay, do it again. Okay, do it again, Darren. Our problem is that the zombie without an imp can't die. Hah? Kok bisa? Kenapa? Kenapa gitu, Darren? Kayak, it bursts all the time ya? Why? Hah? Hold on. This doesn't make sense ya. Hold on. The part that's responsible for the death of every zombie is being coded on that object, right? Ini, if global zombie for none, terus then we have to check, right? If life zombie less than apa gitu dia, it has to, yeah, this one. So we have to check every zombie to make sure we record it correctly. Kok aneh ya? Kenapa ya? Is it possible, Darren? Is it possible that the life counter is conflicted or being overlapped? Oh, in some way? No. If global life zombie force destroy. Yeah, we use another name, yeah, right. Kenapa ya aneh ya? Is it the layers probably? layers nggak ya? Just in case we put them accidentally in the different layers? I don't know. Nggak sih harusnya. Nggak harusnya sih. Oh ya, cek ya. Kok nggak mati ya? Oh, tapi yang baca koran mati kan, Darren? Yang nggak mati kan si gargantuarnya kan? Oh, aneh ya. Hold on. Tapi kok Hmm, coba let me check. Hah. Oh, the gargantuarnya tidak. Oke, now we have to check. Wah, aneh sih ya berarti. Oke, so the problem is only on that gargantuar thingy. On that ya. Oke, hold on. Berarti gimana ya? Ini ya codingnya. Terus, else if object be shooter harusnya benar dong. Ya. Must be trivial. This is oh what? There maksudnya apa tuh Anda? If we had map one. Oh. Oh, ngerti. Gimana ya? So we have to separate object, right? Okay, let me think ya. So, oh yeah. Hold on. Let's deal with it one by one. Hold on ya. Okay, let me inventory. Okay. Problems. One. All gargantuar on screen will roll in. Darren, that's why I asked you. How do we do the throwing, right? Do you remember? So probably, how about setting keys instead of timer? Or click, Darren. How about click? So when we click certain gargantuar, then it will throw the imp. So that not all gargantuar throwing the imp. Will it work, do you think? Okay, hold on. Will throw imp. Should we instead click on certain gargantuar to roll? The second one, what is oh harus otomatis ya? Okay, hold on. And then the problem number 2 is the door won't die except when it hits the pea shooter. Bayar gimana ya? Oke, one by one ya. Berarti how do we deal with this ya? Hold on, let me think. This is the live observer zombie 4. If the . Darren, then it's okay when two of them throwing imps. It is that's how it should work, right? Apa emang harus gantian sih? I think it's how does it supposed to work? I think you just let them throwing by themselves. Enggak gitu. It doesn't supposed to be look like that. Gimana coba? Oh, okay, Darren. Show me the part. This one, yeah. When it's being hit once. Okay. Oh, I think yeah. When we hit once, if it get so far it was like that when being hit by a P once. Oh, so when the other one hasn't been hit, but it also okay. Hold on, let me think. So if global kenapa gitu ya? It's supposed to create layer, explore new. Oh, Darren, I think let me find answers. Okay, hold on. Let me call ChatGPT. I think yeah, Darren. Look. Sebentar, Darren. I have to reply this first. Sorry, Darren. Okay. Darren, let me explain what I'm thinking. See, we have this, right? Yes. But actually we have more than this object, right? Like probably we will have like more than one. So we have, because we all is correlated to this life. When this one is triggered, this one is also, right? So I'm thinking about how do we separate the life per object. So this one has different counter than this one. What do you think? Is it possible to be done? Let me ask ChatGPT, okay? Hold on ya. How do we separate life for same object but different instance in GameMaker? Okay, let me ask ChatGPT. Wait. Oh, okay. All right. Using instance ID berarti, Darren. Tapi gimana ya with ya? Oh, sebentar. Let me read dulu ya. Use instance variable to store unique properties for each instance. Leverage instance ID to manipulate specific. Oke, berarti misalnya kok dia bisa tahu instance ID sih? Tar, let me check. How do we get instance ID? let me ini ya hapus ya biar dia nggak pusing. Bu. Oh, gini Darren. Tunggu ya, let me read. This looks all right. This looks makes sense, yes. Okay, let me share the code ya. Retrieve the instance. I'm doing that. Here, Darren, when we do this, I know. Hold on, Darren. Okay, thank you, ChatGPT. Hold on ya. Darren, look at the code I'm sending on the chat Zoom, right? So here, when we do like this, then it means we are saving the ID to variable enemy, right? So when I do this, hold on. When I do this, I'm going to control your screen. Okay. Okay. I cannot see the whole screen. Hold on. Fit. Okay. How do I make it bigger a bit? Oh yeah. So when we add something like this, then what is the name for A like that? Then we will save it to like this there. All right, you got the idea. And then the A and the B can be used to specifically refer to a certain instance, like when we create when we create A and then we got B, then another A, another B, they will refer to different ideas. Hold on ya. I'm going to give you more. Kayak gini Darren. Tapi gimana ya? Tunggu. Berarti kan kalau kayak gitu instance ID. Nah, nanti tinggal gini Darren. With, pakai with berarti. Darren mau gimana sekarang? Kan misalnya, I'm going to think about this. Terus ini mau gede lagi bisa nggak seh? Nah gini ya, kan gini, kan dia kan dapat kan. Nah, Darren, hold on. Where do we? Ini destroy itu? Tunggu, Darren. Darren explain to me. A itu kan si A is the zombie, right? B itu the imp, right? Ya nggak, Darren? Oh, okay. So, the way we now this code is about killing. Yeah, right. Killing the imp, killing the gargantuar ya. Oh, oke. Okay. Ini yang berarti harus gini, Darren. I forgot. Gini harus pakai gini. Jadi A itu impnya ya. B is the gargantuar without an imp. So now if you want to do it to yang di destroy siapa harusnya, Darren? A kan? Ini siapa? Then why do we destroy object zombie for? Oh, because iya. Oh, iya benar. Oke. So, oke. So, which one is the part? Here, show me the code where it's supposed to be killed when being hit by pea shooter. Gimana sih? Ini ya? Oh, ini ya. Extra instance. Back to the previous one there. Back to the previous one. Okay. Okay, let me read again, yeah. I think I need some coffee right now, right? To make my brain works here. Hold on. Kan ini kan. Ini kan live zombie ya, Darren. If live zombie. Tunggu. Ah, tapi udah sih, ini udah pakai with sih, Darren. With object zombie for var x new x for y new x. If global, udah bener sih. Ya. Oh, let me read. Three layer. Okay. Let me think about the order ya. With object zombie. Darren, show me the spawner. How do we spawn the zombie for? This one. This one is the spawner. This one. Hold on, yeah. Because I need to see the. Oh iya bener ya. Ini kan ya. Ini kan. Nah, each time we do this ya, Darren, there will always be an object idea. Okay. I need you to think, you know, like follow my logic ya, Darren, because I'm going crazy right now. Hold on. Kan gini ya, when we spawn this zombies, ya kan? Then they will have different ideas, right? Because we do it like this, right? Ini kan, Darren, this one ya. So this one will be different, right? All right. So then, okay, we after a certain of time, gitu kan? Ini kan si Gargantuar ya, dia kan bawa si imp ini kan, bener nggak, Darren? After some certain time, ini kan destroyed, bener nggak? And then we replace it with, hold on ya, bear with me. Ini kan di replace pakai ini kan, dia without imp kan, right? And then we also have this imp being thrown, right? Like that. Okay. So what we have to make sure is that we get this idea differently as this one. Ini kan berarti juga sama ya. This one is also have imp, right? Ini juga punya kan. Nah, they have different IDs, right? So this one is being replaced by another creature which has its own ID, right? And it's also ID, right? Benar nggak? This is A, ini B, bukan C, Darren? Or the other way around ya. A and B lah pokoknya. So, ini juga akan punya A sama B kan, Darren? Because they like they will split into two, right? Oke. Berarti kalau gitu, oke. Now, how to implement ini, Darren? How do we call it? Like to execute ini. How do we? Jadi kan gini, Darren. For each gargantuar kan, they will have two different instance with different IDs, right? So when the P shooter is coming like this, it is coming and then hit one of them. It will hit. It's supposed to be ini aja kan, di ID yang ini pecah jadi dua kan, Darren, right? Yang ini nggak usah kan, karena ID-nya beda, right? So we have to make sure that we have the mechanism. Taruh. Darren. Let me. Okay. We have to make sure that we have the mechanism to mention that we are referring to this object, but not this one. How to do that? By mentioning this A and B. Bener nggak sih, Darren? Atau nggak sih? Jadi, and then how we do it is with using with. Gitu nggak sih, Darren? So when we say with A or with B, we are referring to a certain ID of an instance of an object. Alright, ya. Benar nggak gitu? Do you think it's correct? Do you think, I mean the structure, the logical thinking is correct? Okay, now show me again the code there on the previous code. Okay. Then bentar ya, berarti let me read again ya. Let me read again. I think kan ya. Oke. Let's do. Kok gini? Kok gini? Gini. Kok gini? Udah. Tunggu. Okay, hold on. Let me. Taruh. Oke, let me refer it. Ini ya. Berarti ini kan zombie 4, right? Zombie 4 ini kan berdua gini kan, Darren? Okay, this gargantuar and the imp, right? Okay, and then when the life of this zombie, ini kan, Darren ya? Dia akan pecah jadi dua kan? New instance, which is variable A and then variable. Nah, Berarti kalau gitu instance destroyer-nya bukan objek zombie, harusnya B gitu, bukan nggak sih Darren? Iya nggak sih? Make sense nggak? Do you think? Nanti kan yang mati ini kan? Bener nggak? Enggak dong, enggak. Darren tadi udah bilang, hold on, Darren, hold on. Oke, Red. Nah, berarti kita harus bikin mati lagi. We have to generate. Iya nggak sih? I think we miss something in here. Jadi, I'm going crazy ya. After this, I'm going to get some coffee, okay? Kan ini kan udah destroy kan, Darren, being replaced with this, right? So we have to make sure that we have a script that will make this object being destroyed when it is being hit by a pea shooter. So where do we put it? What do you think? I think that one. And then also, how do we get this being, kalau si impnya get killed nggak sih, Darren? If the imp get killed, gets made, but will the imp dead be dead when it is being hit by the pea? All right. So does it work already? If not, we have to make a new the code. I get lost of the code. The import, but the zombie will. Nah. Okay, where is the part when the imp being killed? Ini ya. Ini imp being killed ya. Coba kalau yang the itu being killed mana? Kayaknya belum ada deh, Darren. Hah? Ini yang mana? Ini yang without imp. This is the one without imp. Oh, oke. Ini udah self belum? Kenapa nggak self, Darren? Udah self? Harusnya self nggak sih? Coba. It's supposed to kill himself, oi. Lah, oke. There. And there. And killed. Hah, kok enggak ya? Ih, Darren kenapa? Ih, aneh. Iya, Allah. I don't understand. Is it? Kenapa ya? I'm going to get some coffee ya. My brain needs some coffee ya. I have to get up. Kenapa ya gitu ya? Yes, Darren. Ininya less gitu. Less than equal. Huh? Cannot be self. Why? It it can it can always be self. Why not? Oh iya. Oh ya udah pilih berarti siapa dong objeknya? Pilih aja objeknya. Can we just kill someone here? Just choose Darren from here. Berarti siapa? Unknown ya? Ini. Iya kan? It, have I choose it? Udah. Coba Darren. It's also work ya. Gimana? before. Hah, gimana? Oh, kok nggak make sense sih, bingung. Oh, I know. Oh, because it is referring to the object already being destroyed, probably. Ya nggak sih? Harusnya sih. Aduh, gimana ya caranya? Global, dijadiin global nggak ya? Oke, oke. Dan show me where do we create the zombie non? When? Ini apa? Where do we create? Apa ya? Bentar. Kayaknya I'm afraid that we are killing. Nah, ini loh, Darren. This one kan being destroyed ya. Right. So it is killing the object that's already being killed, right? Meanwhile, we have to kill this one. So the question is how to get through this variable to the other part of the code. Tadi dia udah ganti objek kan? Gimana ya caranya? Iya, I think it is referring to the object being killed kan? Being killednya di sini kan, Darren? So it is or we can detect the nearest object. Jadi kita Darren back to the part of destroying. How about adding this? Hold on, let me check. Kayak gini, Darren, something like this. How about, Darren, back to the part that we cannot kill ourselves. Back to the part. And then, how about changing the code to something like this? So, we will get the nearest enemy and then kill that nearest enemy. How about that? Jadi kayak gini, instance nearest xy obj zombie, nggak tahu lah apa sih namanya, Darren? Non ya? Bagaimana? Taruh salah. Taruh ya, let me finish the code and then then do something like this, replacing the part that's deleting, yeah, that cannot apply destroy self. Okay. Where is it? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Let me check. Let me check. I'm going to put it over here. Now I'm going to see this. Gimana? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Ini kan berarti yang nggak bisa. Oh, what replacing this with? Let me check the chat. There was the name of the before none. Okay. Yeah, do you think this will work? I don't know. Probably we will just try it. Coba ya, Darren, play. I'm going to sip some coffee ya. Ah, error. Hold on, let me check. Apa sih errornya? Tunggu. Let me see ya. Sabar. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hold on. Let me fix. Namanya bener nggak sih, Darren? Instance nearest. OBJ zombie non kan? Apa sih yang kurang kurungnya? Oh. Okay. Oh, my bad. Okay, try it, Darren. Hah? Still not working. Tapi kenapa ya dia kalau nabrak bisa mati ya? Yes, Darren. I don't get it. What do you think? Oh, probably. Good point. So what do we do? The live counting? Okay, good. Okay, how do we fix it then? So it's nothing to do with the object all this time? Oh my goodness. Okay. Live countingnya what's wrong sih? Hah? Kan udah benar, Darren. Else if is the other condition. So when it's bigger than 0, it's bigger than 0, it will minus it by 1. But if not, when it's equals to 0, it will become 1. Gimana sih maksudnya? I don't know. Who create this code? Was it me? Gimana sih live-nya, Darren? Iya ya, ini maksudnya apa ya sebenarnya? What is this code supposed to do? Kan kalau dia lebih besar dari 0, dia dikurang 1 kan? Kalau enggak, kalau dia udah sama dengan 0, live-nya jadi 1 gitu. Apa gimana sih, Darren? Nggak ngerti deh. Mau dihapus aja else-nya. I suddenly don't understand. I don't understand this. I don't understand this code. 1, 2, 3. Tetap, Darren. The question is, why does it work with imp but not with this one? Thinking that they both are being created at the same time, right? So when it works with the imp, so it should work with this one too. Nggak sih? Gitu deh, bener. Ya dilihat aja, Elsa pusing. Udah stres banget. Oke, coba. Oh iya bener. Oh iya pinter. Ih, Darren, how come you are so smart? What do you eat every day? Do you drink lots of milk or why? Iya bener, Darren pinter deh. You are so smart ya. Bener ya, Darren, kamu pinter banget ya. You are so smart. Okay, fix it. Darren, you are a genius, Darren. We have to celebrate. We have pinter banget kan. Tos dulu. Can we do the toast? I'm going to do, hold on ya. I'm going to record this celebration. Tunggu. You know what? Ya, boleh. You do it. Meanwhile, I'm going to record ya. I'm going to record and then I'm going to gimana ya? Oh, mau kasih reaction gimana sih, Darren? How do I do reactions? Okay. You are so smart. I'm going to celebrate ya. Hold on. How do I celebrate? I want to do reactions. Can I send reactions? Okay. Okay. That's it, Darren. Oh yeah, your logic is good. So it's nothing to do with the object. I was overthinking. It's supposed to be the yes. What is? Hah? Kenapa? Oh, because of the counter now? So we're not celebrating now? Why? Because of the counter kali ya nggak? Tuh kan, iya Darren. All the counter correlated to the same. Pusing tunggu sebentar, let me think. Pusing banget, tunggu. Kenapa ya? And it all throw the in at the same time. What did you change there? Only the counter? Hah? Kenapa bisa gitu ya? Oke, let me. Bener sih. Ntar dulu Darren, let me ask you a question ya. Oh. Okay. What the difference between hold on, answer my question, Darren. What is the difference between bigger than 0, equals than 0, and then lower than 0? Kalau ini kan tadi Darren bilang harus dikurang 1 kan? Kalau misalnya 0 itu malah jadi 1, gitu kan Darren? So it never reach this, right? Gimana sih? My brain hurts. Nah, terus gimana jadi ngitungnya? Atau gini aja gimana, Darren? If uh, gini aja deh, Darren. Kalau gini gimana? If life bigger than 1, berarti kan life nih life minus 1 kan? Else destroy gitu. Kalau gitu gimana? Gitu aja gimana? Oke nggak? Bener nggak? Bisa nggak gitu? Cobain Darren mana yang if tadi coba. I want to try. Where is the code? Or if you have better idea, then please look. But I'm curious about how does it work? How does the if work? Huh. Wow. Mana Zoom? Kok hilang? Taruh Darren. Tunggu ya, let me do ya. Mana if-nya? Bukan yang ini, Darren, not this one, the other one. The one with else. This one. Yang mana, Darren? This one. The other one, the previous one. The else if. Okay, this one. Gini nggak sih, Darren? Nggak tahu nggak tahu. Tapi kita coba aja. I'm having a headache ya, coba. Aneh banget, Dan kita juga kenapa nggak mau jadi, nggak bisa. Gimana sih? Coba Dan aja deh yang mainin. Nah. Nah, itu bisa. Tapi mati semua ya? Gara-gara itu yang tadi ya. Hold on. This doesn't make sense. Oh, ngerti, Darren. You know what? Okay, I know. I know why this work this way because the pea shooter, when we do it like this, without referring to ideas, it will kill the whole object right there. Not all instance will be destroyed. So either we have to detect the ID before killing it, Darren. So do you have any idea how to detect it by like by distance? Oh, atau gini, Darren. Hold on. Okay, bentar ya. My brain hurts, but I still can think, right? I still can think, ya. Gini, Darren. Hold on. I have a theory ya about this. Teori segala lah ya. Tapi kayaknya gini deh. I think ya. Mana sih room? Give me the room. Mana sih roomnya? Where is the room? Room mana ya? Nih. Kan gini, Darren. Kan we have this di zombie 4 kan. Ini kan zombie 4 kan, Darren. Zombie 4 itu kan dia punya life ya. Benar nggak? Nah, berarti this is referring to all zombie 4, right? Nah, I think yes, the problem that we have to separate all of these lives into different ideas. So, kalau kata I think, jadi pada saat kita spawning ya, we get the idea, Darren. Baru bikin lives-nya, what do you think? So they all have different counters. Ini juga ID, dapat ID-nya, baru kita bikin lives-nya. If we only have one live counter, then we will treat all the instance all together. So when they are rich, kan berarti bareng nih. Berarti nanti misalnya ini ketembak, when one of them is being shot, then the life of the other will be reduced too, right? So that's why when it is being killed and it is supposed to not be dead yet because he hasn't got enough big shot or something, it will get killed because the lives is just one gitu. Ya nggak sih, Danan? Do you think it is make sense? So I think we have to split the counter. So, okay, hold on. We start from here, from the spawning. This is how we spawn ya. Ini ya. Observer atau spawning sih? Spawning di mana sih, Daran? Which one? Ini ya, live observer bukan? Ini. This is the spawner. Iya kan berarti. Gimana ya caranya mecah counternya? Tunggu. Sing sekali nih. Sebentar ya. Nih kan berarti nggak boleh gini. Kayaknya gini deh, Daran. I think ya. Terserah lah udah. Kan dia bikin zombie 4 kan. Tunggu. Kan dia bikin zombie 4. Lihat objek zombie, dia bikin baru kan. Terus kan dia bikin A sama B di baru kan. Oh, ini harusnya ditaruh di umum apa di sini ya? Nggak tahu sih, Darren, something like this lah, but I'm not sure if this will work. Liatin, Darren. Oke. Halah, stop. Stop it, stop it. Enggak, doesn't work ya. Ntar. Oh, I know. Itu apa sih? Life of zone 4. Oke, Darren. Oke, Darren. Oke, Darren. Let me ask you again ya. Ini nggak ngerti nih. Oke. I need your help. I need your help ya. Oke. Kan gini ya. Oke. Let's do the logical again. Kan dia punya nggak mau gini. Salah. Kan dia punya gini kan life of them before ya. Bener nggak, Darren? Which we don't need kan, bener nggak? Ya kan? Tapi need juga ya. The question is, tapi sebelumnya kok bisa sih? Ini kalau misalnya, enggak dong. Berarti nggak perlu loh, Darren. We don't need this, right? Karena because when we are being hit once, and then it will be split into two kan? Si Gargantuar sama si Im kan, gitu nggak? Nggak sih, Darren? Ini perlu nggak sih si live zombie tuh? Do we need this? Kita perlu ini nggak sih? Perlu ya? Cuman ngasih tahu sekali aja ya. Tapi perlu. Tapi kan so we don't need to count it like 3 times, right? Okay. We just hold on. We just detect when it's being hit once. So ada counter yang satu kali aja gitu, live-nya 1 nih. When the life is become 0, it will create this new object, right? Benar nggak, Darren? Ya udah boleh deh. Ya udah coba boleh. Boleh Darren. It's usually you that fix things ya. I mess up everything and then you fix it. I am. Yang tadi dihapus aja. What I did just hapus aja, Darren. It is stupid probably. Pusing sekali kan. Coba let's do it your way. Oke, disable. Okay, disable first. Hold on. Oh, gimana ya caranya? Coba ya, let me do it. Bisa nggak ya? Yang mana? Udah mau coba yang mana? Kalau nggak salah ya, what we have to do is to press in my keyboard is to do command slash. Nggak bisa because I'm not using your keyboard. Use command slash coba, Darren. Highlight and then command slash. Bisa nggak? Comment slash, nggak bisa ya? Bentar. Hold on. How to comment several lines on Game Maker Studio. Nggak ada shortcutnya ya. Jadi gini aja deh, Ron. Let me help. Mau semua ya? Dan mau disable semua. Ini aja katanya dia. This is for here. There. We disable. Okay, go ahead. And try. Bagaimana? Nah itu gimana? I'm confused lah ini udah. Hold on. Oke. Oke. Try now. Ini juga. We're going to disable this too. Nggak tahu, Darren. Hold on. Oh, mau gitu. Ya udah. Oh, okay. Destroy self. This is the object B. Okay. Apa katanya? Kenapa? Yang salah sih. Oh iya, ada yang nggak kesebut ya. Coba let me make it bigger. Tapi itu bisa works in some way or I'm not fast enough to see it and how it's supposed to work. Ini bisa, Darren? Ini works? Darren, kamu pinter. Bener, ini works. So, almost there. Doesn't turn into zombie without an imp. Okay, so. Okay. Tell me what doesn't work so we can work it on next week. Tapi udah jalan loh, Darren. It works loh. I think it's 100%, right? Apa yang mana? Doesn't the second zombie? Oh, the second one. Yes. Kenapa gitu ya? What do you think? Coba lihat lagi again, Darren, show me again. Try it again and show me where's the problem. Kan ini the first kan? Okay, this one is the first, right? Okay, ini kan dice. Nah itu, ini udah. Oh, dianya nggak ada ya? Oh iya, benar juga ya. Aduh, ntar, let me. Tunggu ya. Let me inventarize. Eh, Ngerti, tunggu deh. Oh iya. So how do we reset? Ntar lo, I have to write ya. Problems to be solved next week. The second, Gantuan won't die instantly. Apalagi sih, Darren? Reset the counter and then what else? Just that? The problem? Okay. I have to write everything down because if not, I will instantly forget. Yes. Berarti kalau gitu, oke. Where's the counter, Darren? Oh, flower pot tuh gimana sih? Which one flower pot? Oke, flower pot. Hold on, edit. To be done next week. Hold on. To be done next week. Adding flower pot. Flower pot itu jatuh dari atas. Ntar dulu. Oh, I see. We have to plant the flower pot first before we can plant, right? Oh iya bener. Before, iya. We can plant the plant. Iya bener. Ya bener sih. Bener. Pea shooter needed? Need in this game. Pea shooter needed. The sunflower also, right? We haven't played sunflower. Yeah, kan? Both, I think. Okay. The walnut. Okay. But I'm still thinking about the counter there. Okay. Before we end the class, let me check ya. Ntar dulu, Darren. So the counter, where's the counter there? Since you are disabling many things, I got lost on how we count the counter. Can you show me again? Here. Oh, it's less than value and then destroy. Nah, terus gimana? Sini siapa? Hah? We are doing it twice? Oh, subtract. Oh iya bener. Iya bener. Ya udah berarti bener dong, Darren. Oh, I know. I got it. Oh, gini aja. Darren mana? Where do we back to the previous? Back to the previous. Oh, oke. Di sini aja di resetnya gimana? Set it again to be berapa? Jangan di situ, jangan di create, di step aja. Nah, di situ when it reach 0, kan dia ngedestroy itu. Habis ngedestroy, no, set lagi apa lives of zombie 4 menjadi berapa? 3 gitu. What do you think? So we restart the counter there. After we killed one, we restart the okay. This one kan when we create kan? Oh, ntar dulu ya. The problem is they share the counter together gitu loh, Darren. How do we separate it so it doesn't kill the other one? Gimana? Pas di step kita restart aja nggak? Tapi tapi kan harusnya begitu dia spawning langsung punya live lagi kan ya? Oh iya ya tuh zombie. Iya benar. Iya iya that's good. Ya good. Smart smart Darren. Iya sih benar. I got confused because sometimes it works and then sometimes it's not. So I got lost about the counters there. Because we keep killing and then spawning new zombies, right? So I'm not sure about how which counter works, which don't work, doesn't work, didn't work. So yeah, we have to think about it. Tuh kan? Has on it. Iya kan? Somehow kan? Iya. But gini deh, Darren, hold on. The logic is the issue kan tadinya nggak ada issue ini ya, but it when we spawn it kan ini kan pas create nih Darren, ini kan create kan, when we create it's supposed to create a new counter kan, harusnya, tapi counternya tuh I think becomes the general karena dia jadi semua counter semua zombie ya. Jadi pas yang satu reach 0, every zombie will reach 0, right? Berarti instead of kayak gini, gimana dong? Instead of creating global life ini bikin counter satu-satu gitu, Darren. Oh, gini aja, Darren. Ini apa sih? Nanti ya next week ingetin. No, I got an idea. Ini apa sih? Ini kan live observer. Di mana sih kita spawningnya yang mana, Darren? Where do we spawn zombies? Where? Nah, we will put the counter when we create zombie. How about that? Jadi pas kita mana sih? Ini ya, misalnya ini. Here. When we nah kan when we spawn this, tunggu. Ini apa create? Nah, di sini kita set pada saat spawner kita set kita pada saat create kita bikin kok ini sih? Ini nggak sih Darren? Mana sih? Ini execute bukan? Function call ini ya. Nah, ini kita bilang part zombie for life of zombie 4. Pas create dia ini kan Darren, ini kan spawner kan? Instance. Gitu nggak sih Darren? Nggak tahu ya. X, Y. Nggak tahu tapi gitu nggak? Gitu nggak Darren? Nah kan berarti kan dia kan nggak juga ya. Nggak gitu. Life of zombie 4 or Nggak tahu Darren, I forgot. Gimana ya? Tapi, oh ya counternya gimana ya? Let me read. Abis ini udah Darren. Let me read some. How to create different counter for every instance for the same object. Let me ask ChatGPT for a while. Tuh kan bisa gini. Correlate the counter to each instance of object. Gimana? Di create tunggu deh. Kan ada counter. Pas create kita bikin counter. Oh gitu aja. Sebenarnya each instance will have. Oh bisa gini Darren. Okay, I'm going to copy this ya to chat ya, so we can do it like next week. Darren tunggu. The counter and then the code supposed to be copy code. We will use this method. Okay, there. Udah nih nggak usah dulu deh. Ini dihapus aja dulu dan hold on. Let me hapus dulu ya. Okay. Okay. All right. We will continue next week, Darren. Thank you for bearing with me. So next week, we will do the reset the counter and then adding flower pot, right? Okay. Thank you so much, Darren. Have a nice week. Thank you for today. Bye-bye. Bye, Darren. Thank you.